What? What do you know? What happened? When did he come?
The presents.
When did he come?
Santa Santa and the bells.
Oh my goodness. What did Santa bring you?
Oh my goodness, Santa, look at this.
Open something. Open your presents. What is that, Audrey?
My t-shirt.
Let me see. Show me.
Go.
Let me see. Bring it to me.
I don't know which camera. That's it.
Shut up. Go over there. Audrey, open something else. Open something else. Uh-oh. What is that? I want to see. Come on. What is it? What is it? What is it?
Mine.
Rip it. That's a new coloring book. And puzzles. How about you? What's that on the floor? What's next to it? Okay. Let me see. What's that?
It's a purse.
Open it.
Okay. $1? What do you need?
Now you have for your snacks for school.
$1 for the juice?
Whatever you want.
Whatever, girl. Open up the next one.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know. I don't like Audrey opening the gifts. She's not excited at all.
No, she's
You're like jealous.
Oh, I'm jealous? Whatever.
Okay.
Go ahead. It's all for you. Open everything.
So I brought you too many gifts. Can I have one?
I have 5.
You got 5.
Let's see I'm 5.
Come on, let me help you.
No, I want her to open by herself. That's okay. Rip it, Audrey. Use your muscles. Come on.
Let me help you, you weakling.
No, let her get tired of opening up that paper.
That's why you don't eat your food. You can't open up gifts.
See, that's why you don't got no muscles, Audrey.
You don't got no muscles. Let me see.
Alright, go ahead. Let her open it. What you got? What you got, Audrey? Let me see.
What movies are those?
Turn it around. Oh, look at the other one in the back.
Which one is this one?
Which one's that, Audrey?
Who's that?
I don't know.
Let me see Planet 51.
That's Bartok.
Go, next gift.